Main focus of this video, WXY wave counting on gold daily chart. Before we start entire video, beginner question must be how you will know that this is WXY wave counting. How you will know in advance that why WXY and what will be the next level to trade gold. So this is daily time frame WXY wave. But if you go intraday, then your number one task will be this wave Y. How you will do wave counting on lower time frame, the sub wave of wave Y. So for few seconds, let's see H4 time frame. When I made last video, price was trading near that area. From this low to this high, all wave counting with full detail video. You can watch previous video, but there is few change, more price action, more detail. Wave W, counter trend correction X, wave Y, projection 200% projection 2779. Additional information came after big breakout of big static resistance. Now sub wave of wave Y, AVC. First of all, we subdivided wave Y into AVC. Now we are again doing sub wave for wave C. So wave C making possible ending triangle chart pattern. Upper and lower trend line tested multiple time a valid chart pattern. So upper area of chart pattern almost there. This previous all-time high. Possible resistance near psychological mark $2,800. Projection target for wave Y. Even if we use projection target for wave A and C, then 38 and 61, all of them near 2780 level. So two level fib projection, one static resistance plus big psychological level, all those things near same place. So based on price action, our cheat code is 2720, first big support level. But for beginner, simple trick, always use few retracement top to bottom for last wave. Price make reversal or not, but your number one task using few retracement top to bottom. So this is new wave counting with possible ending time chart pattern in wave C for 200% projection for wave Y. And top to bottom, if we use few retracement, you can see all big retracement 50 and 61 both are below big static support level. So this was entire wave counting, larger degree wave Y of daily time frame. Since with help of H4 time frame, all sub wave counting, we know that something must happen 2780 level, either trend reversal or counter trend correction. Now we will go to daily time frame. So when you do WXY wave counting, AVC flat correction, impulsive wave Y, last week price tested 100% projection, Friday candlestick, you can see big rejection. So if price goes more up, then next 38% projection for wave Y, 2838. H4 already know that there must be resistance near 2780. Daily time frame is saying that 100% projection. Otherwise next one is 38% projection near 2838. Again same like H4 time frame, price action saying 2720 is big static support level. All the bulls must be waiting to buy again a small correction. But when you will use for retracement on H4 time frame for wave Y and those wave counting, when price start going down below 2720 level, we know that it is going towards correction, that entire wave Y is making correction. So this static level gives us advanced information before price goes 50 or 61% retracement level for entire wave Y, because entire market must be watching this 2720 level. So more time price stay above this level, that's mean wave Y is still active. The moment price goes below 2720 level, that's mean wave Y ended, we are in correction. Again, one more possibility, this can be 135 impulsive wave, flat in second wave. So according to rule, if low of fourth wave come, then it must not retest high of wave 1. That's mean price must stay above 2720 level. It must not retest that level. Without retest, it can make correction, chart pattern, market choice, then going up in fifth wave. But retest of 2720 level confirm that these were not 135 impulsive wave, just WXY wave. Another thing is there was chart pattern. Crowd expecting a triangle chart pattern. This same to same the book print and chart, and visually it was clear that wave E was missing because price tested then breakout upper trend line, does not retest lower trend line once again. Immediately it become clear wave E is missing and this is not triangle chart pattern. So based on wave theory, when upper trend line breakout without retest of lower trend line third time, immediately it become clear that this is not triangle chart pattern based on wave theory. At the same time, you can see there was chart pattern in middle of the year 2024. There was total ABCDE 5 wave, complete triangle chart pattern, same like book. Lower trend line tested 3 times, upper trend line tested 2 times. But this time wave E was missing. So immediately upper trend line breakout confirm that these are a WXY wave pattern or 135 impulsive wave. Now again same to same like book, all the people who are calling it double top, then book use the word truncation. So double top will only confirm when price break below neckline near 2560. Before that, technically you cannot confirm, but there is a small chance. And that diagonal chart pattern, you can see bullish example, the diagonal pattern you have on H4 time frame. Visually we have a diagonal pattern, or we can do 135 impulsive wave. So diagonal almost complete, and like pattern say soft reversal, then we already have big static support level. So like one of our viewer was asking, right now we have double zigzag pattern in bullish trend. It can be triple zigzag, what we will know in future, but we need more price action to verify it is triple zigzag or double zigzag. Now daily time frame wave counting, same like book, flat in bull market ABC, wave W, then AVC flat correction in wave X, then impulsive wave Y. So that was your W, X, Y daily time frame, ABC flat correction. Right now we are in wave Y and with possible ending trend chart pattern, smaller degree ending on H4, daily time frame testing 100% projection. More time price stay about 2720 level. That means daily time frame wave Y is still active, still going up. If this line test or price go below this level, immediately that WXY wave pattern, possibility between 135 impulsive wave or WXY wave. Immediately filter, we only choose a WXY wave pattern. And more price goes below 2720 level, that's mean entire wave Y is going into correction. Or in simple way, if you want levels, if price stay below 2720, then 2661, that will be big support level. If price goes up above this level 2838, that will be big resistance level.